In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can edit Wix website after publishing. Okay, now this is very easy and quick. First thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on my sites in the top left, and here you want to click on go to my sites. As you can see, now it will take you directly to your sites. Now select which site you want to edit. For example, I want to edit this one. Now you want to press and hold on it and then click on edit. You want to click on select and edit site. Now it will take you to dashboard. Okay, now it will take you to this page. Now next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on site and up in the left, and you want to select website here. Okay, now next thing, guys, you want to click on edit site here, and it will take you directly to where you can edit your site. You can add a video, you can add anything you want. Okay, I'm going to show you guys some tips after it loads. As you can see, preparing your site, and here you can add anything you want. For example, if you want to add a video, click on add elements and then click on scroll down and click on video and music, and sorry, I'm going to remove this, and then select YouTube, and here you just want to enter the code, you just want to enter the link. Click on change video and enter here the link of the video that you want. That's it, guys. So after you finish, you want to click on publish in the top right, and that's exactly, guys, how you can edit your Wix website. See you guys in the next video. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.